Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Fikro Khabar. You are watching Islamic World Today. Jerusalem is heart of Palestinian cause, experts. Nearly 4,300 people, including more than 100 children, martyred. 80,000 Palestinians homeless in Gaza in last 10 years. Turkey adds former Fatah leader to most wanted list. Total of 9 terrorists added to wanted list, including Mohammed Dalan, sought after with around $1.7 million bounty. Muslim countries should overcome their dispute. Turkey. At Organization of Islamic Cooperation meeting in Morocco, Turkish foreign minister calls for less friction among countries. 3 Saudi soldiers killed near war-torn Yemen border. 1 officer, 2 soldiers martyred in defense of religion and homeland in southern Jazan region. Death toll in Iraq for suspected terror blast hits 15. Hashd al-Shabi militia lose 11 members in bombing in Salahuddin province. Algeria, Abdelmadjid Tebboune wins presidential polls. Election authorities said Tebboune secures 58% of vote in landslide victory. Sudan's Bashir jailed for 2 years for corruption. Al-Bashir was found guilty of corruption and illicit possession of foreign currency. Germany, 187 Islamophobic crimes reported in Q3 of 2019. In answer to parliamentary question, government said mosques were directly targeted in 25 cases. European Rohingya Council slams Suu Kyi for genocide. Council said Aung San Suu Kyi failed to mention Rohingya to ICJ and offers sign of justice and accountability. Bangladesh government and minority angry at India's citizenship law. 2 Bangladeshi ministers cancelled India visit and term allegation of persecution of minority baseless and far from reality. US peace talk with Taliban halted after base attack. US peace negotiators said Taliban must show willingness and respond to Afghan desire for peace. 3 Indian states oppose new citizenship law. Punjab, Kerala and West Bengal chief minister voice against controversial law granting citizenship on basis of religion. You can find latest and lot more on fikrokhbar.com/English.